Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best automatic knife under $50 out here. Let's get started with the videos. Number 10. Snake Eye Tactical US. This Snake Eye Tactical US Army Winter Snow CAMO knife has 3.7533 mm thick stainless steel blade. It is 5.253 enclosed length. The knife includes a pocket clip and carbide tip. Itis used for the general all-purpose use for daily home needs, clean and cut fish, hunting, farming, camping, hiking and gardening. Number 9. USMC Folding Elite Tactical. This knife comes with the stainless steel, spring-assisted USMC tactical folding. The Marine Corps knife is 4.75 inches closed 3.5-inch blade. The laser-engraved blade, USMC embossed on the high-quality pocket clip. This knife includes the feature of glass breaker and seat belt cutter. Number 8. Kershaw Gray Aluminum. This knife is used for the general all-purpose use for daily home needs, clean and cut fish, hunting, farming, camping, hiking and gardening. The 420HC stainless steel drop-point Tanto blade designed to puncture or stab various materials. The blackwash finish gives the blade a well-worn look and additional hardness. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best automatic knife under $50 or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. Smith & Wesson SW8 EMB 7.5 in. For the added hold of the knife. The dimension of the knife is 7.5 inches, 19 centimeters, overall length, with a blade length of 3.2 inches, 8.2 centimeters, and a weight of 3.9 ounces. It offers a kind of confidence that the blade will not slip with the security of the liner lock and safety lock. Number 6. Smith & Wesson SW MP LS. It lays confidence that the blade will not slip with the security of the liner lock and safety lock. Also has jimping on the liner lock. And the dimension of the knife is 8.6 inches, 21.8 centimeters, overall length, with a blade length of 3.6 inches, 9.1 centimeters, and a weight of 7.6 ounces. Number 5. Kershaw Cryo Dot. The stealthy blackwash finish on blade provides extra protection, helping hide scratches, scuffs and fingerprints. It is a sleek rugged EDC in pockets, backpacks, purses, on belts or a lanyard with the handle's pre-drilled attachment point. When compared with the other above knives, this knife has a decent-sized lanyard hole. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best automatic knife under $50 or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. SOG Flash 2 Assisted Folding. This SOG knife partially serrated 3.5-inch AUS-8 steel folding blade has a Tanto shape with a satin finish. It gives quick access to folding the knife with additional safety lock to provide extra security. The additional safety lock on the handle adds extra safety. The SOG assisted technology offers one-hand blade opening. Number 3. Kershaw Leek Pocket Knife. The frame lock gives the knife a slim, sleek appearance while holding the blade open during use. The tip lock keeps the blade closed during carrying. There is jimping on the spine and choil. The blade length: 3 inches, closed length; 4 inches, open length; 7 inches, weight: 3 ounces. Number 2. SOG Flash 2 Partially Serrated. The SOG Quick Access Folding Knife comes with an additional safety lock to provide extra security. It is a partially serrated knife with 3.5-inch AUS-8 steel folding blade, has a Tanto shape with a hardcase black teeny finish. The liner lock has 2 jimping for ease grip. The handle has a reversible bayonet-mounted pocket clip. Number 1. Anvil Bladesmiths. The Bullshark folding tactical pocket knife comes with a precision glass breaker and a seat belt paracord cutter. This is an impeccable sized knife at 8.25 inches overall open, 4.73 inches closed, and a healthy 3.5-inch partially serrated or straight 8CR13 MOV steel blade. The G10 handle helps for a lighter carry weight. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.